the feeling.
Calling me, she whispered my name. I woke up with a rush to meet her again. In this moment of uncertainty, I dreamt to meet her one day. So, breaking the monotony, I was out and about on a lazy Sunday. The fragrance of freshness surrounded me. With cool breeze, she greeted me. I stared at her with constant gaze. Finally, I thought I came out of the maze. Describing her beauty is beyond words. My love for her has grown many folds. The greenery, the crispness, the pleasant sunrise, lost in the pleasures of her being wild. How I cherish the splendid moment. Amidst her, I feel alive.